been like 1 year already from the start before. Remember doing the coffee tasting? It was a good experience as well of having coffee tasting. I'm going to introduce myself. First, it's kind of hard for us to start our day without having skills and creativity that my colleagues imparted me here in Starbucks at large. I'm here to aim at creativity and decisions that define Starbucks experience. Starbucks Roaster Masters, their doing is to roasting our different kinds of coffee beans into perfections. So Starbucks is serving a very proud place to the hearts of many coffee enthusiasts due to its rich history. Do you know that in Utopia, way back 1200 years ago, yes, they found out that his goats are dancing in the middle of the night. Then he was confused why. So Caldet tried to investigate and he went to the bush. And when in the bush, he saw his goats eating.
3.
Inspiration wheel, the story, the coffee profile. However, you can see also beneath story. Because they call it amazing. However, tonight we're not